Section 2.5, 2.6, Example 1. Identify each of the following as a permutation or a combination. Keeping in mind that a permutation, order matters, a combination, order does not matter. Part A. A fruit salad consisting of apples, grapes, and strawberries. So in this particular example, order does not matter of how the ingredients of the fruit salad are in that salad. Order does not matter. Therefore, A is a combination. Considering Part B, a combination to a safe is 472. The order in which the combination of numbers to open the safe, order does matter. Therefore, this is a permutation.